In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the chat flow in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to enhance your existing customer interaction strategies, this guide is designed to walk you through the process with ease and clarity. So, let's get started. First things first, you need to open HubSpot and make sure you're logged into your account. Having access to your HubSpot account ensures that you have all the features and tools at your fingertips to create a successful chat flow. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the trial guide. This section is your treasure trove of resources. It holds everything you'll need to kick off your form building process. The trial guide is designed to provide you with comprehensive information, making it easier to understand the functionalities and options that HubSpot offers. Now that you're familiar with the trial guide, it's time to head back to your homepage. Here, you'll see a variety of options across the top navigation menu. Look for Service and click on it. Under the Service tab, you'll find an option called Chatflow. Select this option to proceed. This takes you to the core of today's task, the Chatflow creation interface, where the magic happens. On entering the Chatflow interface, click Create Chatflow. This is where your journey into efficient customer communication truly begins. You will be presented with 3 options to choose from regarding where you'd like your Chatflow to appear. Your choices include website, mobile, or messenger. Think about your business needs and where your customers interact with you the most. Select the option that aligns with your strategic goals. When you've made your selection, you're now ready to set up everything exactly as you want it. Here, you can personalize your chat flow settings. Consider customizing the appearance and responses to make it align with your brand's voice and identity. Take your time to explore the available settings and adjust them to suit the specific demands of your customer interaction strategy. Personalization can greatly enhance user engagement, so feel free to tweak the settings until they feel just right. By following these steps carefully, you're well on your way to creating an effective and engaging chat flow in HubSpot. Remember, the key is to understand your customer needs and tailor your chat flow to meet those needs effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore the HubSpot trial guide or reach out to HubSpot support. Have a great day and best of luck with your new chat flow.